In front of me is Motorola RAZR 30, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off location of this Motorola. You need to begin by going into Tab menu and looking for Location Shortcut. When you find it, click on it. As you can see in this pop-up, I need to select Close to disable location. So when I do that and go back, I can see that location of my Motorola is disabled. But you can always enable it by tapping on the same shortcut again. If you want to, you can also go into Devices Settings. Then scroll down to access location section and click on this switcher next to it to turn it off or on. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!